Save As, and instead of doing an InDesign document, I'm going to use the pull-down menu and choose InDesign Template. And that gives me an INDT file. Let's save that out to our desktop. I'm just going to go ahead and click Save. And when I look at that, I come out here, and there's my InDesign template. And it has this little white square. And what that really is kind of like the dog-eared little turned up corner of a page. They used to look like a legal pad. I really liked that, the one that looked like a legal pad, because in my mind it was like I'm tearing off another version of this template. But that's what it looks like now in CS6 and above. So it's an INDT, and so what happens is, let me save or close this and go back out to my desktop. When I double click on this, the great thing is I double click on it and it opens up, missing fonts, that's good, I'm missing some fonts, I'd have to load those. But if you notice, it opened up an untitled document. So even if I get carried away and hit save, because I have that reflex where I'm just automatically hitting Command S, Control S, right? Save, save, save all the time. I'm not working in June's going, I'll remember to do save as, save, oops, I just did that. So I know that when I open up a template, it's automatically, if I get carried away and hit save, the first thing it's going to say is, what do you want to save it as? And I assume you want to save it as a document. So it automatically saves it out as something new, leaving your template completely untouched. If I need to make a change to the template, however, I can do that, but I have to do it kind of a roundabout way, which is good. I mean, the whole point is if you double click on it, it opens up a new untitled document. I'm going to do Command or Control O to open up a new document, and I'm going to go out and find where my InDesign template is, and I'm going to come down here and say Open Original instead of Open Normal. So when I do that, I'm actually opening the InDesign template. And the reason I like to make sure that I pretty much have everything set before I save the template is so I don't have to do this. Because when I do this, I feel like, okay, now I'm going into a template, and I feel like I'm changing the course of the world, right? Something's going to happen, something big, I'm going to come in here and make changes to it. So now I do actually have the template open. Any changes I make are to that template file. When I close that, that's actually part of that file. But the great thing is, by default, it automatically goes back to Open Normal, which will open a copy, that untitled copy.